Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little lock that I was sent. And today's video is brought to us by Tron, the original classic 1982 excellent movie. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Also by Tron Legacy. I think that came out in Tron was 1982. Tron Legacy was about 20 years later, somewhere around 2010 maybe. I'd give that a 5 out of 10. It had some good moments, but overall not good. So let's take a look at this new lock that I just received. And it is a Premier lock, GAP01K, is that a K or an X? X-KA, 3 brass keys, 2 and 5/8, 65 millimeters tall. Security is our target, and this is a quality security, and that is a seal, the quality security seal, the gold seal. It's a steel padlock, double locking brass pin cylinder, hardened steel shackle, 3 brass keys, distributed by Premier Lock, New Jersey, USA, etc., etc. Distributed by New Jersey company, but short shackle. This is made in China. It's got a cylinder guard feature. I think that prevents drilling. Let's take a look at this thing. First of all, I'm going to weigh it, see how much it weighs, because it's a massive piece of steel. Came nicely wrapped. It's hardened. It says hardened on the body. It also says hardened on the shackle. That is a Premier registered trademark. Looks like it's a changeable core. Alright, this is in ounces. So this thing is 22 ounces. About 1.5 pounds. So it's a massive lock. And it does come with 3 keys, little brass keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. Looks like a 6-pin core. Let's see how this thing works. Good sound when it opens. Locks up nice. And a friend of mine told me there's a secret to opening this with a special tool. I have it somewhere, I haven't found it, but I'm going to give it the old normal lock picking technique. And I'm just going to use this little turning tool, one of my favorites. Put some pressure on that core. And I'm going to use the minimalist pick. That's it right there, a little wave. I'm just going to go in there and wave it around a little bit. Are you kidding me? That took about 3 seconds. That Premier just fell flat at the box office. Okay, that's it for the new lock. Not a great one. If you get a chance, watch Tron. Check out Tron Legacy 2. And I'm going to give some cowbell to Tron, one of my favorite movies. Knuckle bomb.